Hi, I'm Christoph. Today I'm going to show you the preparation for casting with the Lampert FUSION centrifuge. Before setting up the whole machine, you'll remove the housing which covers the mold core. Remove the top cover of the mold core. When the top cover is removed, you can set the correct height of the mold core by loosening 2 more Allen screws, setting up in the correct height, tightening the screws again. When the height is set correctly, it's recommended to cover the bottom and the sides of the mold with a release spray, like this. It's also possible to remove the core with 2 more of these Allen screws and use, for example, candle smoke to cover the sides and hold it in a different direction, top down, and put it back again. When this is done, you put back the mold cover by fastening the screws again. After that, put back the housing. Fix it with the tightening screws. Screw down the top of the housing completely until it touches the top of the mold core. After that, make 1 rotation back until the arrows match and push down the clamping lever. Now you pull out the holder to the desired position. Take the casting spoon and place it on top of the stone surface, and you're ready to go.